Where does the name for Penmaenmawr come from? So today I'm in Penmaenmawr. It's a town on the north coast of Conwy County. Let's get into the name. So let's break the name down. First we have Penmaen, which means a promontory or a headland, and it's a bit like a mountain that sticks into the sea. And that can be broken down into Pen, which means head, and Maen, which means stone. And then we have Mawr, which means big, and that refers to this hill behind me here. So if Penmaenmawr is the big headland, then where's Penmaenmawr? Well, Penmaenmawr is that hill behind me, over towards Dwy Gyfylchi. Now the name for Penmaenmawr comes from the hill behind me, which is called Penmaenmawr. On top of it, used to have a huge hill fort, the second largest of its type in Britain, called Braich y Ddinas, but it was destroyed by the quarry. I'll make a video about that another time. So the name literally means the big headland. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe. And if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well, you can on my Patreon, the link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.